everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a trending model from the United States. Kathryn Celestre is a versatile digital content creator, model, and social media influencer based in Miami. With an increasing presence in the world of fashion and entertainment, she regularly shares aspects of her life, including her hair care routine and other fashion-related content, on platforms such as Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube. Kathryn, who values her Jamaican heritage and enjoys the support of her family, is also known for her attractive curls and unique charm. Although her net worth was estimated to be less than $250,000 in 2023, her growing online influence indicates her potential in the fashion and entertainment sectors. Her captivating presence on social media and distinctive style on the runway continue to garner interest and curiosity from her followers. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on her exciting content.